What's up, people? I'm here in South Florida. I'm walking to the boat show in Fort Lauderdale 2022. Stay tuned. Let's see how it is. This is Carlos with CP Marine and the Small Boat Repair Channel. So I parked my car about a mile away. They charge me $40 for parking. It's a little expensive, but there's nothing around. And the closer you are, the more that you're gonna pay. And today is Thursday 27, 2022. And today, for what I heard, today they close at 6. I guess the weekend they stay open later. But somebody got pulled over there. Yep, don't do anything stupid.
Got a pickup. Right this way. Have your tickets out ready to be scanned and have a good time. Yeah.
Is that they're not only boats, there's also fishing rods and fishing equipment. We got here some artwork. Pretty cool. There you go. Boat Owner Warehouse. This is where I buy most of my parts. From Pompano Beach. Always with 100% recommended. So the first part was just stores and indoor show for vendors and stuff like that. Now I just got out and this is where the boats are, and this is one I wanted to see. This boat looks like a dinghy, but it's hard. I wonder if it had air inside. Never seen something like this. Beautiful. We got the all electric boats. Tusby. And see, there's no dinghies, but they're not. Oh,
I think the opportunity for there.
there's no air. It's just the looking of the boat. With electric motor. I like it. We are in Mercury.
Yeah, that's bad. They're rocking right now.
And then is the vessel
Look at the size of that engine.
but it's not necessarily shipped with it. Yeah, we have. Okay, Roger. Well, I know whalers doing really small.
Innovations in the outboard market nobody's got. Only Mercury. This is the steer unit.
All right, you do the same.
It looks like it needs to be in a Caterpillar earth moving equipment. It goes side to side. You got a big ring gear that fits in there. And the bearing carrier is even humongous. Mercury cuts all their own gears. When you see a gear, Mercury cuts it. And they make all their own products. Scott Michael. You know Scott Michael? Michael.
I'm here.
What's that now? Right now? No, we're just starting the show. Yeah, so like, you see that going in there?
Make sure to get your shoes off before you get into each boat. This is what I'm talking about. cool boat. Look at that. Got a grill. You can cut your fish. It's pretty big. This is a fishing boat, center console, and a bow rider. It's all together. You can sleep down there if you want. Who knows how much money? Maybe like $1 million, maybe more. Look at these electric motors. This is beautiful. How many horsepower? 100. Sweet. This BMW.
That's all boat. That's all in water.
It's crazy. Crazy engine. It's like a jet engine. Made by BMW. Not really fan of this, so I don't even know if it's good or not. Looks very expensive. I am in Volvo Penta right now, and I found this cool Volvo Penta engine. This is a V8 430. I know these engines very well. I mean, this is a new one, but the old ones are very similar. I found cool this thing here, the AC compressor. You never see AC compressor in this engine. I mean, you can adapt one, just like a car, but it's not usual to see it. I guess if you have a boat that's closed, you can keep your engine running and you'll have some AC. I'm sure it takes a lot to free on. Beautiful Volvo Penta engine. I like this better than my Cruiser.
Yeah, where's your guys' booth? Right to the end of this one right here. Oh, okay. All the way. All right. We're just right around Toledo, Ohio. A lot of detail.
Both from Arizona.
This is the new show.
This is sweet. Got some Marlins with this thing. So this is what I'm talking about. Boston Whaler 115 Mercury. Brand new. This is beautiful. It's a 17.
Yeah, are you ready for this? A 40 or
So I am in the area of Boston Whaler. And let me tell you, this is beautiful.
Aparte que en su moto da buenos precios, da buen servicio, siempre y cuando hay que quejar de eso.
Make of boats. It's an I-19 Mako. With a Mercury, it was white, 115. Yep, 115 Mako. I mean, Mercury. This is a 23 17 Mako. $31,000. This is beautiful boat. This is what I'm used to. This is what I repair. This one is valued at $41,000, $42,000. Wow. Got here another Mako. $87,000. good. How are you, man?
Very well.
Hi, so I'm walking out of the boat show. It was very fun. Was a lot of stuff to see, very similar than last year. I mean, I saw new technology, new stuff that I never seen before, which was pretty cool. And you know, I made a video for you guys to see. Hope you guys like and enjoy this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you guys in the next one.